This one is Haiku, often mispronounced as Haiku, obviously just because the spelling is the exact same. We didn't plan for this, but as we were driving, we saw 3 different signs with Haiku, and the spelling is all different. So we thought, oh, this is something good to talk about. As far as the spelling goes, all 3 are different. For those of you who've been watching me for a while, the first one is the one that I prefer. That's the way that my kupuna wrote. That's how all Hawaiians, all the kupuna wrote before. So it's just Haiku. That's it. But as you've seen now, there's this spelling here. The other one I wasn't expecting though, because that one added a kahako over the first A. We have the original spelling, and then there's 2 new spellings on 2 different signs. And how much help is that giving to people when it comes to pronouncing this name? Because most people I hear still today say haiku instead of haiku.